What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And if you could tell by the title, today's video is all about my Ipsy Glam Plus box, or my Ipsy Glam Plus bag that I received for the month of December. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus box, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, today's video is all about my Ipsy Glam Plus box that I got for the month of December. I just received her, and so I'm like, let me go on and break the camera out, you know, because I'm ready to open her, and you know I got to do it with you guys so we can see what I got. So if you do not know what Ipsy Glam Plus bag is, it is a $25 a month subscription box, and for $25 you get 5 full-size products, and they value over $120. So you can't beat that if you're a beauty junkie like me. $25, which is usually the price of one product, you get 5. And they're full sizes, and you get to try stuff out and sample them. And if you like something, then you can repurchase it or whatnot. And if you don't like something, hey, you didn't really waste too much money. So I love that. So let's go on and get started in this video. Alright, so we got this open. Let's open her. Ooh. Discover yourself. So we got her open, and she has the orange foam. And we got some products. So first off, they always have a little pamphlet in here to tell you what the products are. And this month's theme is Shine On. It says Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, barring all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. And that is, I think this is a great theme. So yes, this is super cute. So let's go on and get into the box. So the first thing that I do see is from Tarte. It's the from Tarte. And this is the Stay Spray Setting Spray. So my box got a little crushed, you guys. I'm sorry. But this is what she looks like. It says locks makeup in place for 16 hours. Transfer proof, weightless, and microfine. Cucumber and aloe extracts. So this sounds very interesting. I wouldn't mind trying this out. I really do love my Morphe setting spray that I've been using. Oh yeah, and she smells like aloe and cucumber. So let's see. Let's spray her and see. Oh, she's a light mist. She's not that continuous misty spray like the Morphe spray, because I like that all even feeling. But yeah, this kind of the way it's sprayed out, it reminds me of MAC Fix Plus, which I like that as well. So I'm gonna definitely try this and see if it helps my makeup last. So this is a great product. Next item I have in here, it says the Magnetic Build Your Own Palette. Okay. So here we go. The palette. To build your own palette. Okay. So let's open her up. So I think these are cute because you can really make your own when you're traveling and so forth. And ooh, it already came with some shadows. Ooh. So this is what the palette looks like. And then when you open her up, she does have a little mirror, but there is 4 eyeshadows right there. Let me take the film off so it doesn't just keep shining like that. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Those are some nice little shade colors for every day. Very, very cute. This is cute. But I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Why? Because I done picked up a lot of new palettes that have a lot of similar shades in here. And, you know, I don't want this to just sit there and not get used or anything. Because, you know, it takes us time to get through our palettes. So I'm definitely going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. Next up, I got some masks. And it's the Feel Bright Bamboo Charcoal Face Sheet Mask. And I got 4 of them. So that is very nice. There's 4 of these masks. So I kind of like to try this out because as you guys know, I love I love masks, but what I'm going to do, since there is 4 of them, I'm going to put 2 in a giveaway for you guys and keep 2 for myself, because I do have a really, I got a stockpile of masks, okay? So, I don't need to keep stocking up. And if I do like these, I will purchase some. So it says that it is a powerful detoxifier plus pore minimizer. And who doesn't want their pores minimized, boo? I know I do. So next up, this is from Complex Couture. I'll show you this from Complex Couture. And it is the Press and Set Bronzer. 2-in-1 brush. Helps you achieve a soft finish and glow. Don't sweep. Press the flat side into skin to set powder. Use the tips to apply bronzer, sculpt cheeks, and blend. So let's open this up and see what this brush looks like. Because it's obviously a brush. Ooh, this is cute. I see this, one of my friends' unboxings. She got this brush and I thought it was very cute and unique. I can't wait to try this out. So yeah, this is cute. But she got this in her ultimate bag, so... And I got, and this isn't the ultimate, so that's why I thought I wasn't going to get this. But I did. How cute. And then next up, I have, it's 2 different ones. It's lip balm. So I'm assuming that this is one product, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be my 5. So they're by Noyah, if I'm saying that correctly. And it's a simple and awesome organic lip balm. One is in peppermint and one is in vanilla. So here we go. We have peppermint. And then we have vanilla. Okay. Some nice little lip balms, and you never could go wrong. I know peppermint for sure. I'm not a vanilla gal, so let me open the peppermint. Oh, she smells pepperminty. She smells like some gum, like spearmint gum. Like the double mint, the one in the green package. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The double mint twins. No, because back in the day, there used to be a commercial with some twins. It was always twins for the green pack of gum. Oh, and that smells just like it. Oh my God. Yeah, this is going right in my purse today. I don't really chew gum anymore. Just because I just don't chew gum anymore like that. That was more when I was like a teenager and stuff. And yeah, this is kind of nostalgic when I was smelling it, you know, just kind of like, So yeah, I'm gonna like that. But last but not least, I got a bag. And yeah, my friend Jackie Natural, she did an unboxing. She got the Ipsy bag ultimate, which I'm not signed up for the ultimate yet. And she got the same bag, and I do agree with her. It looks like some foil, some tin foil. I think it would have been better if it was just like all flat instead of having like these rouges in there or whatnot, because it makes it look like it's just been some foil that was crumpled up and you're like, I need to do something with this. Let's sew it into a bag. That's how it kind of looks to me. So I get what she means by this. But hey, it's a bag. It's free. It comes with this. So yay! So that is everything that I got out of my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of December, and I am very pleased with everything, and I'm glad that I did get some items to go on and throw in a giveaway for you guys. So definitely going to be putting these 2 masks in there. These bamboo charcoal face sheet masks by Feel, and I'm going to be putting the palette, which this is a magnetic, eco-friendly, vegan leather. This is a really nice case, and it already comes with some shadows in there, but if you want to replace them with something else or so forth, you have your own little case, and that'll be very, very cute. I'm very pleased about the Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. I can't wait to try this out and see how it does on my face. And it smells really, really great. It smells like you're just leaving the spa, okay? Cucumber and aloe. Hello. So yes, and I'm digging the lip balms, especially the peppermint, because I just said it smells like the double mint gum and nostalgia is kicking in, okay? So yeah. But, and the brush, you can't go wrong with the brush, and I can't wait to try that out and see how it does with sculpting my face and so forth. But yes, I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you like out of this haul. I think my favorite item, I liked it all. I don't have a favorite. They're all were great items. But comment down below what you like out of this haul. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.